Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is James over at TTM Trading to the Moon, and today I'm going to be going over ticker symbol KPLT, Katapult Holding Incorporation. Now, before we get started, guys, I do want to ask you guys to go ahead and give us a thumbs up on this video. It will help us out on our YouTube algorithm and just support the channel. And by the way, guys, before we dig deeper on the stock, I do want to have you guys check out my description down below. We do have a Discord group called TTM Trading to the Moon, where we currently have over 5,000 current members, and a really great community. We do send out crypto alerts, stock alerts, penny stock alerts, option alerts, and potential big mover stocks. So come join us and hope to see you guys there. Now let's get started. Now, where is this ticker going to be at tomorrow? Now, this is going to be where we want to see why is this stock moving up. Alright, so as you can see here, I pulled out a 4-hour chart and I draw already like 4 lines, which is the support and resistance level. As you can see here, let me just zoom it in. So as you see in this area right here, guys, there's a big gap that happened here. They actually dropped all the way down here on that on August 10th, all the way down to $4.25. Okay, that's where it closed on that day, and it had a low of $4.12. Now, why did it actually drop? So as you see from here, this thing actually broke out resistance that day on August 9th. I mean, this would have hit all the way to a new high, possibly in a $20 range, or maybe even higher, 25. But you know, that day they actually had a bad earnings, so that's what made this stock drop. And you know, it starts crashing all the way to its low of $3.13 back on August 17th. Now, why is this stock recovering? As you can see here, guys, not really much of a news, but this actually had a really good volume back on August 30th, and it actually closed, you know, somewhere around here at the $5.08. So, and then after hours it went up another 16 cents on it. So, but again, after hours is sometimes really doesn't really matter, because what we want to see it where it's going, where you know, the actual market hours. Unless you're day trading it, then after hours and pre-market is the best time to actually day trade it because of the volatility. Now, we're looking at this stock as a long-term hold, right? So let's go over with this one right here. So as you can see here, if I would have get in on this stock right now, I would have get in on this level right here at open, even at $5.32 range, or even at $5.50 range. Now, however, I'm actually going to put a stop loss on this one if it does actually dip all the way down to $4.21. Again, this is a long hold, not something overnight, and this is a potential runner, guys. So patience is a virtue. So if you have a little bit of patience on this stock, you'll probably make that big 200% from there, like, you know, a 200% runner. So again, that's gonna be where my stop loss will be at, right below this line. Okay, now if I would have entered again, so let's say if this thing actually breaks tomorrow by Tuesday at over $6.18, I would buy or add more on this level, because now I know it actually broke out the second resistance right here. Now this thing is gonna go all the way up to somewhere around the $8 again. I would say about $7.94 is gonna be the next resistance, and if it does break out to $8.05, then this thing is going to like fly all the way to its gap at 963, guys. And if it does actually close that gap up and it gets even higher from there, this stock is gonna go all the way back up to the $14, and even possibly going to see a new high on the stock. So put this stock in your watch list. don't jump in and FOMO on the stock. Make sure you only buy what you can afford. Do not go heavy. Follow what I say. If you buy in this stock, just make sure you just buy some little, and then if it does break the resistance, then you can add more. Or if it does dip by support, then you can add more. But always put a stop loss when it actually dips even deeper from where the support level is. Okay, don't hold the stock, because that's where you actually start bag holding. You don't want to do that. But the best time to actually get in is, I normally don't really buy dips as much. I do buy on breakouts, because the breakout, I already know kind of for sure that thing is really hitting all the way up, not all the way down, because if it's dipping, normally when it dips, it keeps on dipping even more, right? But you can always like average down from the dip. Now if it doesn't work out, then you have to change your strategy. Then you have to sometimes take that stop loss, because not everything is 100%. You can't win every single trade. Now, like I said, that's the reason why I always buy on the breakout rather than the dip, because the breakout kind of shows me a direction of going north rather than going south. All right, so that's it, guys. If you guys want to buy in the stock, tomorrow will be the best time to actually buy in. And while still cheap, it hasn't run 200% yet. And if you guys like this video, guys, if I help you out in any way, please do go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Hit that notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or in any particular stock or with this stock right here, do drop down a comment down below. I do answer every single one of them. And I want to thank you guys again for watching, and see you guys on the next video.